Hey guys, welcome back for another video. In this one I'm going to be installing a hour meter on my Woodmizer LT15 wide. This is a new mill to me this year. I want to do a little bit better with the maintenance and keeping track of how often I need to do the maintenance, and without an hour meter it's really hard to tell how many hours I've actually put on it. So I want to use something to gauge roughly how often I should do the maintenance on my sawmill to make sure I'm doing it at least often enough, if not more, like I do with my vehicles and my skid steer and everything else that all have hour or mile meters on them. So I'm going to install this hour meter from Hardline I got from Amazon. So the instructions look very simple. It looks like you just gotta wrap a wire around the spark plug wire and then basically just mount it to the sawmill. So let's get started. So the first step in the instructions, it shows to wrap the black wire that it comes with around the wire that goes to your spark plug. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that right now. There. So it showed to wrap it around 4 times. So I think I wrapped it around 5. And then I put a little zip tie on it like it shows to do in the picture. So now I'm going to go ahead and plug the cable back into the spark plug. There we go. It's all plugged back into the spark plug. So now let's do the next step. So this next step is actually very simple. You just run the wire through this hole in the bottom. Comes out the top. And then there's another hole that you just seat it inside. It just sits down in there. So it goes inside like that. Now it makes like a loop. And then you pull it down back in tight, and now you can see it's just sitting in there like that. Pretty simple. Now that's pretty much the installation of the wiring part. Very simple. And now it comes with some two-sided tape to mount it. You can also mount it with screws, which I'm not going to do. Sorry about the focus. So I'm going to just use the two-sided tape, and I'm going to stick it over to the side of the engine over here. So before installing it, I wanted to make sure it works. And as you can see, it is reading the RPMs. And the time meter is blinking, which means it's recording the time. So now I'm going to shut the motor off. And now I'm going to use the double-sided tape just to mount it right here. And the instructions did say it is okay to trim the wire. So I did do that, just so I don't have a whole lot of extra wire hanging off the machine. I'm just going to mount it right up over here. And I think that'll be perfect. So I'm going to put the double-sided tape on the back and stick it on. Alright, and there it is. Pretty much that simple. So now I'll be able to track the hours and be able to do my maintenance when I'm supposed to. So there it is. It was that easy. I wasn't really even sure how easy it was because I had never installed one of these before. I'm going to do the same thing and install one of these on my log splitter as well, which you can hear it running in the background. With proper maintenance, these machines will last a lot longer, using the proper fuels, good quality, doing your proper maintenance when you're supposed to. I appreciate you guys all following along. If you have any questions about this or anything else on the channel, throw them down in the comment section below. At least say hi. Trying to post more videos here as much as I can. Appreciate you guys all following along. You guys stay healthy, stay safe, stay cool, and we'll see you guys all in the next video. Take care.